Okay, so what you see here is the Google AIY voice kit in a 3D printed container that I found on Thingiverse, and I modified it. It's not exactly the same as the original. I made it a little bit tougher by 3D printing 5 of the faces in one go together so that they wouldn't break apart. And then the only thing that's separate is the roof, or basically the top of the box. But yeah, I mean, the print came out beautifully, and I'm very satisfied with that. Now I'm going to show you the casing for the Vision kit. In this particular case, I printed it out the same way as it was supposed to, and this was also a model that I found on Thingiverse. However, I had to do a lot of sanding for it to actually fit inside. So you can't just print it out and expect it to work. I used a Dremel to cut out the bits and pieces that were necessary for the electronics to fit in accurately inside, especially the housing for the Raspberry Pi Zero was quite troublesome. Now I'm going to bring this back up one more time so you guys can see. I love how this was made. It was very, very intelligently designed by the artist. It has all the features you need. You can put the different Raspberry Pis in there. This is for the larger one, of course, and it also has a hole on the bottom, as you can see here, where you can stick your finger into so that you can pair the device without having to open it up. And then of course it has the push button. You can close this off with more of these red bits and screws. That's entirely up to you how you do that. But yeah, it's really well designed. The only troublesome part of it is to get the SD card. Like, it's that little hole there. And if you want to get that out, you need tweezers. You can't just stick your fingers in there. But that is also true for most of the designs for the, as you can see there as well, for the Vision kit. Good luck sticking your fingers in there. This is a little bit wider, so it should be easier to get to, but still I would use tweezers to get into there. Everything else worked out fantastically well, and I'm glad that this project worked.